Collocations are natural word combinations that native speakers use automatically. These are specific phrases that sound right together in English. Today, we focus on collocations with the verb come, like come true, come first, and come early. Collocations are words that naturally go together in English. Native speakers use these combinations automatically without thinking. For example, we say make a mistake, not do a mistake, or heavy rain, not strong rain. Collocations help you sound natural. Come true means become reality or happen exactly as hoped. Come first means be the most important or win the top position. These are two essential collocations with come that you'll hear frequently in everyday English. Come early means arrive before the expected time. Come last means finish in the final position. Come prepared means arrive ready with everything needed. These collocations describe timing and preparation. Dreams come true when wishes become reality. Her prediction came true means what she said actually happened. Use come true for hopes, dreams, and predictions that become real. Family comes first means family is your top priority. Safety comes first means safety is always most important. Use come first to show what matters most in any situation. Come to a decision means make a final choice. Come to an agreement means reach mutual understanding. Come to an end means finish completely. These describe decisions, agreements, and conclusions. Listen for natural patterns in movies, podcasts, and conversations. Read books and articles to see collocations in context. Notice how native speakers combine come with other words, then practice using them yourself.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.